Welcome to my first ever scuba diving adventure on my birthday at Villa Nautica, Paradise Island, Maldives. Meet Mustafa, my amazing instructor, pulling up a chair to teach me the sacred hand signals of the underwater world. No words down there, only signals. He's gonna make sure I don't end up high-fiving a shark. By the way, that's my dad walking behind me, filming this vlog as we walk into the beauty of the Maldives. Okay, the underwater superhero is being geared up now. Oh, this suit is heavy. And here we go. Jacket off, gear off. But I'm still in awe. What an experience. Big thanks to Mustafa, the best trainer I could have asked for. And of course, a huge shout out to my dad for filming this.